this morning. I woke up, it was 17, and then, when I just pulled in here, it said it was 21. So it's chilly. It was nice because the mud over here was frozen. So we could drive right in. It wasn't muddy. I drove the whole way here with my tailgate open. So that's cool. I'm glad nothing fell out. This little four-wheeler that we got here, I'll flip this around here. This thing, my dad gave this to me a while back. It is such a champ. Maybe one day we'll go over the backstory of this thing. But you just push the button, it fires right up and chugs like a tractor. But yeah, we'll get up there. We got the Septic guy coming here. He should be here at 9, he said. So that gives me a little bit to get a hole dug, and hopefully we can make this thing pass. Try to get as many shots as I can. He's kind of one of these people that you don't really want to irritate, so I don't really want to irritate him with the camera, having the camera around while he's here. So I'll try to get a few, but we'll see what we got. So the septic health inspector just left. I had 2 holes dug before he showed up. I dug a third when he was here. I'll show you what we got going on here. So this hole here is the one that he had me dig. This is the one that we used. This is the one that passed. You see there, it's got to be a fairly deep hole. It's probably about 7 feet deep. He told me to stop. I had this hole dug and another one dug up the way, just in case. But I had plans of it being right here, after we decided where the house is going to be. But I was trying to avoid digging right in the middle of this road that we got going on, but it is what it is. So that worked out perfect. I got the whole home site cut. I just pulled some measurements. I gotta bring some stakes out to stake everything out, but I'll have roughly 13 feet to get by the shop on the left side here. And that is assuming that I stick it a foot off of the wall, and that foot is accounting for the drainage that I'll have to do behind the wall. But yeah, so 13 feet's workable. Wouldn't mind trying to get some more real estate, but 13 feet is plenty of room to get a truck through. So yeah, it looks good. Get the whole approach done. Hoping the sun will dry a little more mud out. We're supposed to get some weather, so that'll put a little dampener on things. Take a walk over this edge here. See how I did just this. Liz placed these last little rocks this morning. We'll eventually run this whole wall out here with rock. But you can see I got a couple of these bigger ones stuffed into the dirt, so that should hold it pretty well. At least take some of the pressure off the bottom of this bank here once it kind of saturates itself and settles. So yeah, we got that going on. What else? The septic passed, so that's good. I think that's about it. My dad came out to help with firewood, and he just ran up to the top of the hill on the four-wheeler, so he'll be coming down here soon to get a shot. That'll give you a little picture of where that road is that goes up to the top.